Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. Oh, looky here, another concept rolled through. The Shikari button lock action comes to us from Morgan Conans. He's a custom fixed blade maker. So you can kind of see the fixed blade aspects to that. Let's see here. Overall length, 7.78 inches. Blade, 3.35. Stone washed, 154 cm. Modified clip point. Big swedge on it. Black stone wash. Got the aluminum and the micarta meeting up on the handles there. Button lock. This thing is 4.05 ounces. So let's dive in a little bit. Nice little closure there. Flipping action. So. Nothing great. You've got to be dedicated when you're flipping it. But man, once it's open, solid lockup, no wiggles, milled clip. But man, it feels good in the hand. Nice ramp up. Feels almost kind of like a fixed blade, to be honest. I'm not going to spine whack it. It's not mine. But Kansept have held up pretty good. It's just the button lock with a flipper is a hard sell. Billboarding, simple concept. Blade steel wording, maker, and let's see, what is in there? Might look like a model number. Nice and clean. I mean, she's clean. Hardware, where it needs to be, nothing too shoddy. Nice back spacer, little lanyard hole, milled clip. Don't look like we're flipping this one lefty or righty. It's going to stay where it's at. Nice milled clip though. Does feel good in the hand. I just think some thumb stud or something there. Not my flavor, but it does carry well in and out of the pocket. And it feels really good once it's open and in hand. Drop a comment. What do you think of it? Hit that thumbs up button. And hell, share it on some other platform. Y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe.